Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. I am Kushpreet, your class teacher. Students, today we are going to do our next theme, that is body movements. And our today's topic is balance. Okay? In this topic, we do some activities and enjoy our session. Okay, let's start our session with the first activity. In this activity, students, you need a newspaper. Okay, by doing this activity, at the end you identify the shape of newspaper. Okay, you play this game with your friends. In this game, your parents will play the music and you dance on the newspaper. Okay, when music stops, then fold the newspaper and then again stand on it. Okay, students, make sure that whoever steps puts on the ground will be out of the game. Okay, I repeat again. In this activity, students, you have to identify the shape of newspaper at the end. Okay, you can play this game with your friends, parents, siblings, with anyone. Okay, in this game your parents will play the music and you have to dance on the newspaper. When the music stops, then you fold the newspaper and again stand on it. Make sure that whoever steps puts on the ground will be out of the game. The child who is able to balance himself or herself on the newspaper till the end, that will be the winner. Okay, this is a activity of our today's topic, that is our today's topic is balance. Okay, after doing this activity, now let's do another activity. In this activity, you need a handkerchief, and students, you play this activity with anyone, family, friends, relatives, anyone. Okay, in this activity, all your friends and siblings sit in a circle, and one of your friend that becomes dinner, that is run outside the circle with the handkerchief and place that handkerchief behind any child and pat him or her. That friend pick that handkerchief and try to catch the dinner before he or she takes his or her place. Okay, as you see in this picture, a girl put a handkerchief behind a boy, and boy try to put up that handkerchief and run behind a girl. Okay, to catch that girl. Okay, students, one by one all your friends run around in a circle. Okay, firstly you make a circle and then one student or one friend, your one friend, run outside the circle with the handkerchief and place that handkerchief behind any child and pat them. That friend pick up handkerchief and try to catch that person before he or she takes his or her place. One by one, all your friends run around in a circle. Okay, students, I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay, stay connected with your school, with your teacher. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a bright day.